How to finally come up with some ratio, and there comes the answer. Shakil started a software business by investing 20,000. After 6 months, Neil joined him with a capital of 30,000. After 3 years, they earned a profit of 13,950. Okay, so 3 years is the total time of business. Total time of business is 3 years. 3 years is nothing but 36 months. 3 years is nothing but 36 months. So now coming to Shakil and Neil. Shakil and Neil. Shakil invested 20,000 for all the 3 years, which is 36 months. Neil invested 30,000. Okay, Neil invested 30,000 but joined 6 months late. After 6 months only, he came to the business. So 30 months only he was there in the business. 30 months only he was there in the business. So if you cancel out 4 zeros common, I will cancel out. So Shakil is to Neil is nothing but 36 into 2 is 72. 30 into 3 is 90. And if you cancel with the 18, it is 4 is to 5. If you cancel with the 18, the ratio of investment is 4 is to 5. So after 3 years, they earned a profit of 13,950. What is Shakil's share? Everywhere we should get some ratio of investment, only then we can finally calculate. Fourth share out of total 9. Fourth share out of total 9 is Shakil's share, and profit is 13,950. Profit is 13,950. You can cancel with 3. 3 4s are 12. 19 means 6 are 18. 5 0. Again you can cancel with 3. So 1 time, 5 times, 5 times 0. And if you multiply, this is 20, 22, 6. 6,200 is the share of Shakil. After 3 years, Shakil's share is 6,200 in the total profit. Okay, I am going to next problem. Munna received 3,000 as his share. Munna received 3,000 as his share out of the total profit 4,500, which he and Raju earned at the end of 1 year. Okay, 1 year business, and total profit is 4,500. Okay, so Munna's share is 3,000. Munna's share is 3,000. If Munna invested 60,000 for 6 months, Munna invested 60,000 for 6 months, whereas Raju invested his amount for the whole year. Okay, Raju invested amount for the whole year. What was the amount invested by Raju? What was the amount invested by Raju? Okay, so generally we know that we have to find the ratio of investment. Munna is to Raju. So Munna invested 60,000 rupees, 60,000 rupees for 6 months. 60,000 rupees for 6 months. Raju invested, we don't know how much is the amount, but he invested for 12 months that we know. He invested for 12 months that we know. Okay, and if you see here, they are giving Munna's share. Okay, they are giving Munna's share is 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. Total profit is 4,500. Total profit is 4,500. Okay, so how to find Munna's share? How to find Munna's share? It is the ratio, isn't it? It is the ratio, and the ratio, if you see, 6 into 60,000, 6 into 60,000. Out of the total money, it is plus 12 into x. Okay, into the total profit 4,500. This is the method how we calculate Munna's share. Okay, this is the method how we calculate Munna's share. And if you see, already Munna's share, the value is given 3,000. So take it on LHS. Take it on LHS. His share is 3,000. And if you see on the other side, it is 6 into 60,000 divided by 6 into 60,000. plus 12x, okay, into 4,500. If I take that 4,500 to left side, sorry, 4,500 to left side, and if I simplify this, what will happen? If I simplify this, right side it will be 6 into 60,000 divided by 6 into 60,000 plus 12x, okay. Here I am going to have 1500 into 2, 1500 into 3, cross multiply 2 into 6 into 60,000 plus 12x equal to 3 into 6 into 60,000. Okay. So if I retain 24x on the LHS, all other things I am sending to RHS, I will be having 6 into 60,000 on the RHS. If you are able to do faster simplification, you can proceed. Okay. So 24x, if I cancel with the 6, this is 4 times. So 4x equal to 60,000 and x value equal to 15,000. 15,000. X value is nothing but 15,000. We have gone with the general procedure. You check out, though there are many numbers, we have gone with general procedure for solving it. Okay. Next problem. Abu and Salim started a partnership business, investing some amount of money in the ratio 4:6. Okay. So Abu and Salim, their investment is in the ratio of 4:6. Shakil joined them after 6 months with an investment equal to that of Salim. Okay, so who is this Shakil? He joined after 6 months and his investment is equal to Salim. His investment is equal to Salim. In what proportion should the profit at the end of 1 year be distributed among Abu, Salim and Shakil? Among Abu, Salim and Shakil. Okay. So I will assume because the investment value is not known, I will take it as 400, this is 600. Okay. Be the investment amount. Let the amount be 400 and 600. Okay. So now Abu, Salim, Shakil, first two people, they are there in the business for 1 complete year, but the third person after 6 months only he joined. So Abu is 400 into 12 months and Salim is 600 into 12 months in the business, and Shakil same amount of that of Salim. Shakil same amount as that of Salim, but he was there only for 6 months. Okay. So now if you see 2 zeros, I will cancel out throughout 2 zeros. Now this is 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 6 is 72. 6 into 6 is 36. If you cancel with the 12, it becomes 4 times. Okay. 6 times, and this is 3. What they are asking, what proportion they should divide the profit. It is Abu, Salim and Shakil, their proportion in the profit or their investment ratio is 4:6:3. So option D is the correct answer. This is the ratio of their investment or ratio of their profit.